Hey guys, welcome back to another great episode. I'm Zachary. In today's episode of Sell Those Flipping Cars, we will be diving in deep to the 3.7 liter V6 engine of the Jeep Grand Cherokee and getting the Serpentine Belt Diagram correct so you can get your Jeep back on the road. Let's jump in it, guys. Hey guys, welcome back. As I said, we are working on the 3.7 liter V6 engine of the Jeep Grand Cherokee. This is the 2008 model. Also, if this today's episode benefits you, make sure you smash that subscribe button, hit the like button so YouTube and myself are both know I'm doing a good job and I keep making great content for you guys, helping you get your vehicles back on the road. So, the Serpentine Belt plays a very vital job with your engine. Everything that it touches, it drives. If that Serpentine Belt breaks, your alternator stops. If it breaks, your AC compressor stops. If it breaks, your engine stops. It's like a Murphy's Law if that thing breaks. So make sure you're taking good care of it. If you see white braids of your serpentine belt, it is time to change your serpentine belt. If you see any frays or tears, it is time to replace your serpentine belt. The serpentine belt we are replacing today had dry rot. There was cracking on the tracks of the serpentine belt, so we're going to go ahead and replace it, get a new one on there. We did replace the belt tensioner and the idler pulley in a previous episode. So if you are needing a repair to your Jeep that deals with the serpentine belt, cylinder head replacement, water pump replacement, so on and so on, idler pulley and belt tensioner replacement. I have all those in our Jeep Grand Cherokee library, the collection. There's over 70 videos on there saving you guys thousands of dollars with your Jeep Grand Cherokee auto repair that you're needing done. So make sure you smash that subscribe button so you get notified of all of my videos I release in the future. And thank you as always for the support. Let's jump into the Serpentine Belt Diagram so we can get your Jeep back on the road, guys. Thanks for watching. Let's get it.
Looking at the serpentine belt on the V6 engine, the easiest way to reinstall the belt is to put the belt on all of the pulleys and leave the idler pulley and belt tensioner as the last pulley that you install. As you can see, it goes below the crankshaft pulley. It also goes below your water pump pulley as well. Just in case you don't have a good view of the live shot of the serpentine belt, I'm also going to put up the illustration of the serpentine belt diagram as well for the 3.7 liter V6. You can find this in the Jeep Grand Cherokee, and I will also put the links to the serpentine belt diagram and the other repairs that are needed, as in your water pump replacement and belt tensioner replacement and so on. Thanks for watching, everyone.
Wow. Well, that wasn't too bad, was it? The serpentine belt replacement was quite easy. As I said, leave the idler pulley and the belt tensioner as the last pulleys you put on. It will be easy, piece of cake, in and out, you're good to go. You just saved yourself quite a bit of money with whatever repair you just did yourself and putting that serpentine belt back on. If you are in the middle of a repair and you are stuck, you do not know where to turn, you don't have a mechanic friend to ask, boom, hey, I'm your mechanic friend, over 25 years of experience, okay? Smash that subscribe button. If I saved you some money, okay, hey, send one of those super thanks, okay? YouTube just added that so you can thank your favorite creator for making content for you. So guys, thank you as always. I love making the content for you. As you see, I am actually sitting on our new project right now. So if you think your electrical problem is bad, wait for some episodes coming up. I will show you the problem I am having with the starter solenoids on my 2 Detroit diesels, which I have 7 batteries on this thing. It's insane. The Detroit diesels need a lot of juice. But you know what? A lot of moving parts means a lot more stuff can break. So remember, smash the subscribe button. If you do have any questions about the auto repair that you're going through right now on your Jeep, leave it in the comment section. I would love to help you get your vehicle back on the road without it, breaking your bank. Hey, if I save you some money, take yourself out for some dinner. Congratulate yourself, man. You just DIY'd your project. Man, woman, whatever. I don't mean like that. I'm proud of you. For all my fellow DIYers, I salute you. So until next time, guys, keep safe, keep hydrated out there. It's a hot one, and keep on wrenching. Take care, guys.